We are team number 1 from physics class at Francisco J. Mujica High School, and today we'll show you
Noise in the sound.
the team members are Patricio Ortiz, Omar Sanchez, Miguel Navarro, Litsi Peña, Arturo Serna, and Marcela Cruz.
Noise is an inarticulate or confusing sound that usually causes an obscene auditory sensation. In the area of telecommunications, noise is a disturbance or abnormal signal occurs in a telecommunication system, which impairs the transmission and prevents the information reaches clearly. The noise can be divided into three types: continuous, intermittent, and impact. Noise in the area of telecommunication, communications, and physics is defined as perturbation.
Sound is the sensation produced in the organ of hearing by vibratory movements of bodies, which are transmitted by an elastic medium such as air.
The big difference between noise and sound is the first we find it unpleasant to listen, and the second not. The noise usually produces a sense of stress and galling. The sound is therefore pleasant and nice to hear.
Ahorita lo que están subiendo son, bueno, están haciendo especiales, eso que llevan dos.
¿Cómo de qué?
Pues de lo que siguió después de la despedida de los amigos.
¿Lo continuaron con el Pokémon Sol y Luna? ¿Las cortes que están haciendo?
Lo que dicen es que Pokémon Sol y Luna es un spin-off. Bueno, no es, puede ser un spin-off.
Ah, ok.